Welcome, here I've got LG Wing and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the left. By tapping on it we can manage aspect ratio. We have now 4:3 ratio. 4:3 is also available here in the left corner with 64 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera. When we tap here once again, we can also go to 16:9 aspect ratio, and this is a little bit longer. As you can see, the background has changed. And another tab to go to 1:1, the square one. This is how it looks like. And also here in the settings we get access to the full one, so this is the full camera frame, full aspect ratio. And of course when we pick this button once again, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and hit the thumbs up.